And it was here today, Mary Alice, that it was announced that the state will no longer seek to arrest those who went out and walked off the job and stayed out since mid-February. And though that may come as a relief to them, well, those guards still aren't out of the woods when it comes to their wallets or even their future job prospects. There were so many prison guards and their supporters who came to court earlier today that most could not be seated in the courtroom. Those inside heard an assistant state attorney general say that while his office would no longer seek to arrest those who went out on strike, stayed out despite a judge's order for them to return and a settlement that went into effect on Monday, but said there would still be consequences, namely termination, a loss of benefits, and fines that could cost the striking workers about $7,500 each. Attorney Ralph Lorigo represents about 300 of the guards, and he vows you haven't heard the last of this.
They also penalize people who are legitimately on family leave, legitimately on workman's comp. They took away those people's insurance and all their benefits and their pay. That's totally wrong. Those issues have to be resolved.
But today in court, the state said it is still reviewing cases where that may have happened and that those folks could actually see their benefits restored. Meanwhile, Governor Hochul today announced plans to blackball those guards who failed to return to work yesterday and prevent them from getting any other employment with any other state agency in the future. Responding, New York State Senator George Borrello, who represents a southern tier section of the state, called the governor's actions tyrannical and vindictive. Live on your side outside of State Supreme Court, downtown Dade McKinley, Channel 2 News.